Hey, welcome back to the Flim Flams. This time we got two attorneys, so let's see what kind of Flim Flams they're up to. Let's see. I've got a Cleveland lawyer that should be disbarred. Conduct Board recommends. April 9th. Let's see. State panel of attorneys has recommended that a Cleveland lawyer be disbarred for misconduct. I guess some lady named Carolyn mismanaged client funds, missed multiple filing deadlines, made several false statements in legal filings. That kind of sounds like frauditors, doesn't it? Huh. Let's see. The Conduct Board sent its recommendation of disbarment to the Ohio Supreme Court, which will hear arguments and render its own opinion. Oh boy. Let's see. She declined to comment. Oh, that's common. She was admitted to practice in 1989. She was suspended in 2011 for mismanaged the client's trust fund, failed to file timely briefs, and do not cooperate with the disciplinary investigation. Huh. She agreed to settle a legal malpractice suit in 2010 for more than 400 grand. Now, hold on. Let's see. Disciplinary report stems from several cases beginning in 2019. Man, see, a judge who sentenced a woman to 33 years in prison appointed Ranke to handle the appeal. The woman's mother sent her repeated text messages. Hmm. Well, I guess she initially responded that she was in trial, which that's a good excuse. Then she asked the woman to check her spam because she had already sent it. Oh, Ranke never actually even filed the appeal and ultimately stopped responding to this lady's messages. Oh boy, the appeals court ultimately allowed the new lawyer to file a delayed appeal. See, Ranke was also hired by the owner of a home health care company to defend it in a lawsuit that its employees filed accusing the business of wage theft. Ranke never filed a response, and the judge ruled in favor. Oh man! So I guess they won $300,000 in lost wages and attorney fees. Oh boy! All right. Yeah, I guess in another case, a woman hired her to represent her in a divorce. It says Rankin never filed a response to the husband's filing and missed a pretrial conference. Oh, yeah, right, man. Now you shoot down a little bit. The woman who hired Ranky learned that she was legally divorced when she got a letter in the mail addressed to her under her maiden name. Oh, yeah, that's some sloppy work. As the conduct board noted that Ranky had initially admitted to making false statements in either communications with or legal filings to the court. Oh, yeah, I don't know, man. It's like a license to steal. I mean, is this shit allowed in any other profession? I don't even think cops can get away with all this crap, but I don't know. Well, anyways, we have another one coming up right now. All right, well, this time we're going to shoot over to Maryland, where we have another lawyer that, I guess he likes to play games with the system too. So let's get into that. Oh boy, oh boy. Another Elcott city lawyer agrees to disbarment for mishandling client funds. Maybe Ellicott. Well, this attorney actually agreed to be, well, the sort of city attorney has agreed to be disbarred based on the allegations that he repeatedly mishandled money that he was holding in trust for clients. Now, I ask you that if a regular person did this, they would be in jail. Strange, isn't it? Well, I guess he received a $9,500 check from the other driver's insurance company, 2017. Before paying the client, Goldstein withdrew 4,900 and 4,600 from the account, though he should have been holding that money in trust. Trust, okay. I don't know, man. For some reason, people still like hiring attorneys, but I guess if you dig into their profession, I don't know. I hope you. All right, we're gonna move on to the next slide. Let's see. A part of its investigation, the Bar Council requested a client ledger, deposit slips, canceled checks, monthly bank statements from Goldstein. He provided bank statements with no deposit slips or canceled checks. Oh man, the records show that Goldstein repeatedly failed to hold clients' funds in trust. This guy scares me a little bit. I don't know. I want to talk about crooks and flimflams. I don't know. And it says Goldstein consented to the disbarment, which is generally the sanction when attorneys intentionally misappropriate client funds. So basically, go into a profession. Hey, if you steal, you steal. Don't worry about it. But if you get caught, you're gonna lose your license. That's I don't know, man. I don't get it. That doesn't make any. You could work as a freaking waitress at a bar. You steal a $20 bill, man. They call the cops. Next thing you know, you're paying thousands in fines. I don't know, man. Don't worry. We're gonna showcase a lot more of these people. And no, I'm not trying to hate on them. I just want people to see um, other professions, not just the cops, but there's bad in everything.
Family, family,